when you're trying to name your company, what you need to do is you need to understand the problem you're solving and the business that you actually have. When you have that in place and you realize the different systems and mechanisms or what you want to eventually become, it makes it a million times easier to name your company. If you're trying to name your company and then you're thinking about, oh, what market do I serve? What is my unique differentiator? What kind of business am I really building here? What is the core benefit that people are reaping from this business? If you're thinking that that comes second and your name comes first, you're going to be wrong 99% of the time. So really go with something generic to begin with, and then you can always change it later. Whatever your name is, Ali SEO. That was my other name that I was going to go with. Simple, plain simple. My name is Ali. I do SEO because that's as much as I had figured out at that point. And then when I started working with people, when I started understanding that people are willing to pay more if the service is hands off, like marketing people, as much as they want to say that they have time to do SEO and these other things, they really don't. They have other focuses that need to happen. When I discovered that, I wanted to build a service which was hands off. Then I discovered that working with different partners, I can't really control it. They have their own systems, their own processes. Of course, they're willing to make adjustments, but they are ready to turn on a dime for things that I wanted to do. I needed to bring everything in house so that I have full control over every element of the SEO that's happening. And that's going to really exponentially help me deliver better quality of content. And I know for a fact that people are willing to pay more if everything is in-house. That was another thought process that I had way down the line. With those two realizations, I was just like, yeah, this is like a button. And that's what I really heard a lot. Hey, just press this button or whatever. That's what I thought of. It was a button. You press at the SEO button and you get SEO. Even if you go on vacation for 3 months, I promise you, when you come back, you will have amazing SEO done for you. You will have your backlinks, you will have the right content built, you have the right new pages, and your SEO overall will be improving. That's why I named the company the SEO button, because that's what the company is. It's a button.